Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I'm here to unbox the September Beauty Heroes box. I have to excuse or apologize because I have like no makeup on, or I did put lipstick on, but anyways, I'm very casual right now. It's the end of the evening. It's like 8:15. My kids are sleeping. My box came today and I want to get this video up because it's been a week or two since I've posted, since I was away last week. And I'm excited about this box because at least last year, September is Beauty Heroes anniversary, yearly anniversary. And last year they did 5 different products from 5 different brands. So I kind of get especially excited about September. That being said, I don't know if they're doing that this year. I saw some type of hint that the founder of Beauty Heroes gave on Instagram, and she said something like, it's from a brand we know and love. So I'm thinking they're not doing like the, anniversary theme again. So I don't know what brand is in it or what's in here at all. So let's open it up together. This is always one of my favorite parts of the month. Oh, okay. So it is Bluh Alchemy, which is cool. I have used a product or two from them, and I'm excited to see what we have. I would be pretty excited if they had their like photonic sunscreen, because I am getting low on a facial sunscreen. I finished my Cocoa Kind one, and I'm using like a stick one right now, and whatever, so that'd be cool. So let's see. Having a seltzer. Oh, looks like 2 jars. So we have a Vital Moisture Mask and a Superfruit Alpha Hydroxy Acid and Beta Hydroxy Acid Resurfacing Mask. Pretty cool. So we're getting 2 masks. Interesting. I love masks, so I am excited. And this is cool. This is like just fun and different, I think. These are the 2 products. All right. So let's talk about the Superfruit AHA and BHA Resurfacing Mask. That is 50 milliliters for $68. And it says the things we love most about summer. Long days in the sunshine and the great outdoors can take their toll on our skin. Worth it? Absolutely. Repairable? Mostly. Yes. Early autumn is the perfect time to begin skin recovery rituals that help repair the visible signs of sun damage, regenerate sun-soaked cells, and freshen up the face, leaving only the afterglow of summer behind. This month's discovery offers an effective alternative to the chemical peels with a 2-step treatment that resurfaces and restores the skin with the undeniable power of plants. Okay, so this is the Bluh Alchemy Superfruit AHA and BHA Resurfacing Mask with Salicylic Acid Liposome Lychee. Turns out this is the Sidekick product. It is an exotic sweet jelly mask featuring a synergy of cellular extracts that perfectly preserve the potency, purity, and wholeness of the fruit acids, including papaya and pineapple acids, finger lime caviar, and silky oil grass. The alpha and beta hydroxy acids collaborate to gently exfoliate and slough away dead skin cells, clear pores, and reduce signs of inflammation, irritation, and hyperpigmentation. All right, let's check it out, and then we'll read a little bit more about it. It has one of those nice little seal things. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Interesting. So it is like a jelly, as they say. Almost like an aloe, kind of. Smells really good. Yum. I like that. That's exciting. So that's cool. Looks like a very unique, pretty mask. So lychee extract is an alpha hydroxy acid loaded with vitamins and minerals, including B6, vitamin C, niacin, and magnesium. Helps restore skin from UV damage, boost hydration, and inhibit enzymatic activity that can lead to fine lines and loss of elasticity. Adding to the ingredient stack is a salicylic acid liposome with a delivery system that helps drive this gentle acid to the deepest layers of the skin to deliver remarkable resurfacing benefits that even the most sensitive skin can tolerate. That's good. Vegetable ceramides provide extra protection to skin barrier, acting as a buffer for the activity this mask delivers, resulting in less tingle and more results. Finally, its exquisite aquamarine hue is not just for show. A compound of extraordinary plants, including neem, basil, turmeric, and eggplant, drop in their soothing benefits. When this refreshing mask is used twice a week, alone or in conjunction with this month's hero product, expect noticeably brighter and smoother skin to be revealed. Ooh, I'm excited. I didn't know you could use it with the other one, so that'll be cool. So, yeah, it's just like a little kind of jelly mask you just put on, and to see how long it says to keep on. Does it say? Apply a generous layer on clean face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse off with warm water, followed by a serum or moisturizer. Use 1 to 2 times a week. So just to reiterate, the superpower ingredients are finger lime caviar fruit extract, lychee fruit extract, papaya fruit extract, pineapple fruit extract, salicylic acid, liposome, and silky oil grass extract. And again, it's 50 milliliters for $68. So a resurfacing mask. Cool. This is interesting because it made me think of the Lil Fox acid peel. I can't think of what the name is right now. I use it. The marshmallow poof and the acid glow, I think it was. And that's one I still haven't finished from last July, like July 2021. So most likely this will sort of like replace that in my routine when the time comes. But this sounds like it's not as intense, I think, as the other one. Let's read about the Vital Moisture Mask, Queen Garnet Plum, and Snow Mushroom. That sounds nice. All right, it's 50 milliliters for $74. So this is the same size and it is $6 more. All right, it says a proper post-summer skin protocol must include both peel and plump. Part 2 of this month's recovery ritual delivers the juicy hydration and a potent helping of antioxidants and essential nutrients that skin craves after exfoliation. Vital Moisture Mask is our hero product with a completely original ingredient stack of cellular extracted bioactives that replenish what's been lost due to UV damage and other environmental factors, dehydration, and age. The star of this dense tangerine-hued fruity gel mask is Queen Garnet Plum, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K to support collagen restoration, cellular repair, and replenish hydration. Known as the Queen of Antioxidants, this cellular extract has been perfectly preserved to deliver the highest level of anthocyanins to recover from photoaging, reduce the appearance of UVA and UVB-induced damage, and inhibit the highly inflammatory glycation process for enduring skin health and vitality. So this one says, apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area, and leave on 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and follow with your favorite toner and moisturizer. Use 3 to 4 times a week. So this is pretty cool because it sounds like you can do this exfoliating or resurfacing mask and then follow it with this moisture mask. Okay. And this also has one of those little, ooh. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. This is a little bit more like liquidy, so I don't want to pour it out. But it does smell like oranges. Not sure how much you can see here, but it's also sort of like a jelly mask. Oh my gosh, these smell really good. I can't wait to like try these on my face and get the true like sensory experience with the scent. Let's see if I can pronounce this. Buah Merah, a rare fruit native to Papua, Indonesia, surpasses both the goji and acai berry on the ORAC scale, making it the highest rated antioxidant among all the superfruits and prized for its many health boosting properties. Bright orange buriti seed oil from Brazil has the highest levels of beta carotene, found in nature and is used in indigenous medicine as a master skin regenerator. Appearing together in this fruit-forward mask, they deliver high concentrations of beta-carotene, alpha-tocopherol, and omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids essential for post-skin recovery. Sea kelp bioferment, snow mushroom, and marshmallow have jelly-like mucilaginous textures that combine to create a protective film that seals in moisture and prevents transepidermal water loss. Resurrection plant, known for its ability to survive extreme drought conditions, helps hydrate skin at its deepest layers and restore vital moisture, resulting in plump skin and a vibrant complexion. When used together with Superfruit AHA and BHA resurfacing mask, the double mass recovery ritual bridges the sweetness of summer with the restorative spirit of fall. I kind of love this. Superpower ingredients are Bluh Mera fruit oil, Baruti fruit oil, Resurrection plant extract, Queen Garnet plum extract, sea kelp bioferment, and snow mushroom extract. Cool. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. So let's see, with Bluh Alchemy, they always give you like a one way to play. So I've never used their cleansing oil. I have used their toning elixir and I actually really liked it. I've never used their nocturnal repair active emulsion or their bioretinol renewal concentrate. So there's like a lot of products that I haven't used of theirs. I have used, I've tried their body oil, which smelled really great, and the toner, which I really liked. So this is definitely a brand that I'm like excited to explore more. And I think this little ritual together with like doing a resurfacing mask and then following it up with a moisture mask sounds fabulous. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do when I finish this in a minute. I'm gonna go upstairs, I'm gonna wash my face off for the day, get in my pajamas, then I'm gonna do these 2 masks and hopefully really enjoy them before bedtime. So that's exciting. I'm pretty excited. I initially thought that I might be disappointed by this box, that it wasn't like the anniversary box, but I guess at some point Beauty Heroes needs to like stop doing a box with like 5 products or something for the anniversary. I don't know, or maybe they did it, I thought it was year 7 last year. So I don't know why they would do like 5 products for year 7. Like why would year 7 be more special than 8? Or maybe they're just done like doing a lot of things for September. Maybe they've like decided to move on or something from that. I don't know. It'll be interesting to see like what the community says and what Beauty Heroes says about it and stuff. But I think this seems like a great box. I have, like I said, used a little bit from Bluh Alchemy and I'm excited to explore it more. So very excited to use these 2 masks and I will report at the end of the month, let you know how I used them and how I enjoyed them. And just one thing I want to say, if you follow my channel, I unboxed August box, which was Prima with all the CBD products, but because I'm pregnant, I didn't use any of them due to like the CBD. I gave my mom the pain like cream and the night, like the sleep vitamins or whatever, like the sleep pills, because she was interested in them. And I've kept the body oil, but I haven't used it other than just sampling it that day. I'll probably use it like maybe once a week or something like in the future. I don't know, because if I'm able to nurse the twins, I'm not sure that I would use like a CBD skin product if I was breastfeeding. So I'm just gonna play it by ear, but I won't be doing a follow-up video for that because I didn't use any of the products, so there's no video to make. So anyways, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button if you'd like to be alerted for when the next video comes out. And I would love to chat with you in the comments below about this box. See you soon. Bye.